What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me for today's video. Today is going to be the first video of a series of videos that I am going to be uploading on my channel weekly. And my plan is to just go through the thousands of Amazon purchases that I've bought in the past and share with you guys my favorites. All of the items that I'm going to be sharing throughout this series, I have used and tried and tested, and I have loved for many months. So these are all going to be items that I can definitely recommend to you guys and that I have recommended to family and friends of mine. So I hope that you guys will enjoy this first video and that you join me for the many that are to come. This first video will be featuring 5 household items that myself and my family have been loving. Let's jump right in and get started. All right, so the first items that I wanted to share are these stackable metal baskets. We use these in our pantry, but I feel like there are so many different ways that these can be used and different places in the house. They are a really nice, sleek, matte black color, and then the handles on both sides here are a really pretty rose gold. I love the combination of those two colors. They are super sturdy, and I just love how they're stackable. And then you can flip these little handles to be able to pull them up. You can put them down that way, or you can use them as like a little ledge for the next row up. So this comes in a pack of 2. I'll use ours in the pantry, but a laundry room, a bathroom, under cabinet storage, I think that these would be phenomenal for. Next up, I have these amber spray bottles. I did feature these bottles in a essential oils video that I did a while back. I am still using these. It's been a few years since that video, and these bottles are still holding up great. So you could see with this one, I just labeled it with our label maker. And then I purchased this label off of Etsy, I believe. I think they totally beat the alternative of plastic, colorful cleaning bottles. There's so many different ways you could use these. Other than household cleaners, you could use these as like a plant spray mister. You could use this for bug spray. I believe the pack that I purchased came with about 5 or 6 bottles in different sizes. These are the bottles that I definitely don't mind keeping out on the kitchen sink, in the bathroom open shelving cabinet that we have. I just think that these add a pop of decor while also being extremely useful for the home. Moving on, I have this set of 2 wooden salt and pepper grinders. I am obsessed with this set. I keep this out on our kitchen island year round, and never once have I thought that these need to be put away, just because they are so cute. They work really well. The grinders inside of them work really well. They're super easy to refill. You just twist this off and then you just pour in your salt and pepper. They are a decent size, so they can hold quite a bit of salt and pepper before they need refilling. And yeah, we've had these for a while. They look as good as new, clean really well. They're just nice and durable. It's definitely something that you don't have to worry about breaking, especially during like barbecue season when they are being brought outside with you. Next up, I have this digital clock. I am obsessed with this thing. So this I brought down from our bedroom. It's really modern looking. It's also not too bright. You have the option to adjust the brightness level on here. But on the right hand side there, you can also see the humidity level of your room and then the temperature. It's really nice, good, useful information, really easy to read, understand. It does have an alarm clock option as well. It is fairly small, but like I said, the display is really good. Definitely bright enough to be able to be seen and just really easy to read and understand. Here is what the back looks like, how you set it. This can be used plugged in like I have it, or you could also use it with a battery so that it's cordless. I think there are other color options to this. I believe black is an option and possibly 1 or 2 other colors. And then lastly, I wanted to share our front door rug. I am so happy with this rug. It totally hides stains that can be tracked in from outside. I love the size of this. I think it's like a nice oversized type of look for the front door, and I just like how durable it's been for us. We've had this rug here for, I want to say 8 months, possibly longer, but definitely 8 months at the minimum, and it really does look just as good as when we first got it. I like that it's darker, like I said, so it also has a nice pop of white in there, so it's not all black. It's really easy to vacuum. Our Eufy vacuum, the robot vacuum, goes right over this. So that about does it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Let me know what other categories of items that you would like to see within this 5 Amazon finds series of mine. I have a whole list and I have lots planned for you. But if you have any specific categories that you'd like to see, leave those in the comment section below. I am hoping to have these videos up on a weekly basis. As always, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube family. If you could give this video a big thumbs up, I would really appreciate that as well. I will see you all in my next video, and until then, take care. Bye.